Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a haul video. So I went last weekend to Scottsdale with my friend Julie, and we went to a couple stores. One was called, and I hope I'm saying this right, Tierra del Garto, and they're really they're like a home furnishing store, and their store is amazing. I could spend hours in that store. I got, actually I'll show you a couple of things. I got this bowl, and I'm gonna have to scroll back out so you can see it, hopefully. So I got this marble bowl, and it's just two hands with some flowers, and it's carved, and it's just so gorgeous. And Julie had one, and I had to have one. And this was the last one in the store. And they go shop on shopping trips, you know, all across the world to find this stuff, and I'm just so happy that I got the last one. It was actually holding some jewelry in their store, and we both just were like, there's a bowl, dump it. And they were fine with us doing that, by the way. So I got that bowl, and then the other thing I got at Tierra del Garto were these beads. Oh, I got two other things, actually. I forgot. So I don't know if you've seen my most recent haul from actually I probably haven't posted that one yet, but it's from Jogs, and African beads come on raffia and cotton strands, kind of like this one. It's a sneak peek for a different haul, but kind of like this. So these beads came on a strand like that, and Julie and I split it because it was a very long strand and it was expensive, so we didn't need a whole strand each. So we got these evil eye beads, and they were stunning. Oh no, they're coming off. So I'll put them in the bowl here. But I have a ton more in this. So I think we each got like 20 or 30 beads. And let me scooch in here. Aren't those yummy? So they're glass. And I just thought that color was amazing. The thing that I really, really loved about this store is that they did a fantastic job of decorating, but they also sell some strands of beads, and they artfully drape them through plants, around tables, off of chairs. And I just had an aha moment, like, Brittany, you've been obsessed with beads for more than half your life. Why don't you decorate with them? Because I didn't know that you could do it like that. And I'm not one to hang beads on my wall. Actually, I have one strand of bead hanging on my wall, and they're from Michelle, those African beads she gave me. But my eyes were opened in this store because they had huge African glass beads on strands. One was like $65, and I really wanted it, but I walked out of there without it. Pat myself on the back. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. I have a ton of plants. I'm gonna artfully drape jewelry and beads throughout my house now once I get it together. So anyway, I got this strand. I'm sorry guys, you know I can talk. I got this strand from Tierra del Garto, and I also got this pendant that matches. Now it's a little different, but it matches well enough that I can work it out. So they had these in several different sizes. I was never a big one into the evil eye, but I just thought that these beads were so pretty. Then the owner explained, and I'm probably not going to do it right. So if you Google it, you'll probably find the correct meaning of the evil eye. But she said parents would, create little pins with the evil eye on them and hang them on their children to, kind of, if you do mean harm to somebody, your intentions will bounce back off of them using these evil eyes. So there was more to the explanation, and I'm sure some of you know much more than I do about them, but I just thought they were so cool. So that's what I got from Tierra del Garto, those three things. I will be going back there very frequently just because they had beads that I didn't even see in Tucson. Like some of the beads I did see in Tucson, but some of them were just so stunning. Okay, so then we went to Bead World in Scottsdale. And I did get a few things. I haven't been to Bead World in probably 2 years. And it's not just because of COVID, but I didn't have the best experience in one of them a few years ago, so I just didn't go back. And Julie showed me some beads that she got there. So I was like, okay, I'll give it another shot. I want to tell you, I had the best time there. The people who were working there the day I was there were just so sweet. They had beautiful jewelry on. They know what they're talking about. Let me show you what I got there. So, if you're a part of my bead group, you would have seen the pictures from the walls that I took and all the pictures of all the beads that we took while we were there. One of the first things that I picked up were these seed beads. Again, because Julie's a bad influence and I have to have everything she has. That's not true. I'm kidding. But she showed me these in a picture a few days before. And I was like, okay, we have to go back and get them because all of their, at that point, seed beads were 30% off. So I grabbed some seed beads and I just thought these were such beautiful candy colors. I'm not going to open them because you know they'll be everywhere. And they were originally $265, but they were 30% off. And then for some reason, these drew my eye. They look like little jelly beans, little candy, Easter candy. And I picked them up and put them down about 6 times. And then Julie put them in her cart. And I was like, oh, come on. So, because I knew she was going to make something cute with them. So I want to see what she makes with them and I'll end up using them. We are such bad influences on each other. It's not even funny. Like, we're so bad. And we tell each other, like, I'm going to be your yes man. I'm never going to tell you not to buy the beads. And it's true because it always happens. So these were $350 without, and then 30% off. So I thought they were just yummy. And then for some weird reason, I could not walk out of that store with these matte brown seed beads. I think what size are these? 6.0 Mayuki seed beads. These were $435 with 30% off. I loved them so much, and I just think they're going to be great spacers on a lot of the projects that I have in mind. So I just hadn't seen beads, matte brown seed beads before, so I just thought I really loved them. So these are check. These are Mayuki. These are check, and these are a Matsuno. I don't know if that's how I'm saying that right, but anyway, I thought they were really cool. Julie also they didn't have them the day when we went back, some frosted ones that looked like this. So those were the 3 seed beads. Next, they have check glass by the strand and check glass by the bead. Their prices are pretty mainstream prices, but usually I like getting deals on check glass. So I only got the faces because they were really the only thing that I didn't really have and that I wanted. So I got these cream faces. They're just so cute. I have these actually in like metal, the same face. And then I got the blue ones. I think these are the only 2 colors that they had. They had all the check glass flowers, leaves, owls, all that stuff. I have a ton of that stuff. Maybe if I was looking for a specific color size, I would definitely go back and get some. Okay, and then these were 35 cents each, and I got 12 of them. And then last but not least, they also have a 40% off coupon, good on one thing that's not on sale. And I got these fused recycled glass rondelles, African. And I've had these in one of my carts on Etsy for a very long time. With the 40% off, they made them reasonable. They were originally $16.50, but then 40% off. They're 12 millimeter. And I don't have any African beads that are these colors. And they're just beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the things I showed you in this haul. I do already have a necklace in mind for this, and I'll do it on camera with you guys. I just don't know when it's going to be. So, and it'll involve beads from this haul and beads from another haul that, actually another 2 videos, 2 different places that I ordered specifically to go with this. So until those beads come in, I can't make the necklace. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know between the 2 what your favorite beads were. I'll just put a couple more artfully in this bowl for you to look at for a minute. And then stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Hi. Look at those teeth. Goldie, you're so cute. Hi, cutie. Good morning. You're so cute, Goldie. It's a lazy Sunday morning, huh? Okay, just a little bit more on the teeth. Oh, it's so cute. Good morning.